How to find viewing and sharing settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find viewing and sharing settings on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here on the top corner and click settings and privacy, then settings, and go down until you find profile and tagging. Click on it and here you will find viewing and sharing settings. You can manage anything you want, then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.